There's also some other weird scales on here. Weird in the sense it's got drill sizes on here. You got the number drills, which are below A, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And you have an A drill, an F drill, K drill, P drill, U, Z, whatever. So you can go through over here and see an F drill. Could be like a clearance hole for a 1/4 inch bolt. You also have some metric stuff on here. 2.54 for millimeters, if you want to convert some things. And then you have a nifty thing here for adding fractions on here, if you want to add fractions. So with this device you can actually add fractions together real quickly. So you can put this on a 1, put this on an 1/8, slide this over. 1/8 of an 1/8 is a 1/4. That's obvious. But what happens if you want to add 5/32 real quick? The 1, you start on here, 5/32. You add 5/32 to 15/64. There it is. It's 25/64. So you can go through and add fractions real quick, and that's what they used to do a lot of times in drawings. You can add dimensions in fractions real quick. As some teachers used to call it, vulgar fractions. On the back of here, this looks like hell because it's went underwater in Katrina. This has got degrees, sine, tangents, and it's even got some more fraction converter thing if you want to know. You know, 7/16 is 0.0109375. So if you want to know 0 degrees, sine is 0, tangent is 0. Got sine, tangent on there. Obviously on this, what you're doing here is you're keeping this wedge to where you're adding this angle, what you're doing. And at first it really seems like it's confusing, but the way this works is the large arm grabs the small arm. If you grab the small arm, this arm should not move at all. If one of these is worn or kind of goofed up, you may have to oil it or something, but what you're normally doing is you're putting, let's say, the small arm on some number, like you're always typically putting this on a 1, and then you're moving this where you want it to be. So if you had, say, 14 over here, and you want to multiply by, say, 16, you could put this other cursor on the 16 and read 200. Over here is 300. There's 250. So this is 210, 220, 224. Now when you're doing something like this, you've got to know the range of the answer, which means if this was 1.4, of course, and you want to multiply by 16, you have to know the answer is in the range of 20 something. So this would be 20. Of course, this would be 30. There's 25, 24, 23, 22.4 again. Now, it could be 224. It could be, 2,240. So, when using a slide rule, that's, of course, you have to know where your places are. You have to know what the feel is for what the answer is by doing a check on the back sheet of an envelope or just making sure you keep up with it.